Now, at first glance, it might seem that all the keys look the same. But if you look closer, I'm sure that you can spot a pattern on the keyboard. There is a pattern of 2 black keys and 3 black keys repeating all the way. You see? 2 keys and 3 keys. 2 black keys and 3 black keys. 2 black keys and 3 black keys. All the way. And the good news is, all the notes which you will ever need are just around that pattern. We have 7 notes in total. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Let's start by finding C. C can be found to the left of the group of 2 black keys. There it is. So, if you locate the group of 2 black keys directly in front of you and play the key to the left, that's C. Now, as a quick activity, locate the next higher group of 2 black keys and play the C just to its left. We might want to do it just once more. Locate the higher group of 2 black keys and play the C just to its left. Now, if we go back to the C that we found at the beginning, the one directly in front of you, locate now the group of 2 black keys lower than that and play the C, which is right there. And locate yet one lower group of 2 black keys and play that C. Lower and higher. That note, C, to the left of the group of 2 black keys. Moving on, the next note in the alphabet after C is D. And guess what? D can be found right in the middle of the group of 2 black keys. So locate one, the one directly in front of you. Now, go play a higher D. So locate the higher group of 2 black keys and play the D in the middle. Same procedure, play a higher D, group of 2 black keys, the D in the middle. Go back to your initial D, the one in front of you. And now play a lower D to your left. So locate the group of 2 black keys, the D is in the middle. And just go one lower. Get to the lower group of 2 black keys, and the lower D is in the middle. The next note in the musical alphabet is E, and that can be found to the right of the group of 2 black keys. So start with the one in front of you, group of 2 black keys, the white key to the right is E. So if you want to locate the higher E, you have to find the higher group of 2 black keys, and the E is just to the right. If you want to go one higher, locate the next higher group of 2 black keys, and the E is just to the right. Go back to the E right in front of you and locate the lower one. Find the group of 2 black keys, and the E is to the right of it. If you want to find another E lower than that, just locate the lower group of 2 black keys, and the E is just to the right of it. So, around the group of 2 black keys, you find 3 notes: C, D, E. Do, re, mi.